そうです means that's right or that's correct in Japanese. But do you know there are 7 variations of this to mean 7 different meanings? This short video explains when and how each of the expressions can be used. Case number 1. Straightforward, そうです to respond with an affirmative answer. If you say そうです with a pitch going down at the end, it simply means that's correct. For example, someone asks you, ここは渋谷ですか? Is it Shibuya here? You can simply say, はい、そうです. Yes, it is. Or, yes, that's right. Case number 2. Adding か at the end. そうですか with a pitch going down at the end, it means I see or I understand in Japanese. Even though there is か at the end, this is not a question. For example, someone tells you, 昨日お寿司を食べました. I ate sushi yesterday. Then you simply say, ああ、そうですか. It just means, oh, I see, or I understand, to let them know that you are listening and understood what they said. Intonation is very important here. It has to go down. ああ、そうですか. Case number 3. Doubting what the other person said. If you write it down, it's the same as in the case 2, but with a different intonation, it means totally different. そうですか? With a pitch going up at the end, now you are questioning the statement the other person made. For example, someone tells you, 東京タワーは東京で一番高いタワーですよ, meaning Tokyo Tower is the tallest tower in Tokyo. Perhaps it was the case in his youth, but there is Skytree that is much taller than Tokyo Tower, so you may want to correct or question that statement. Now, in Japan, it may not be a good idea to do so when talking to someone older or in a higher social status. But for now, let's ignore it and show your doubts about the statement made by the other person. You may say, そうですか? Meaning, is that so? To question his statement. As you can hear, the intonation makes a big difference in meaning. Case number 4. そうですね. Adding ね at the end, it expresses your agreement with the statement made by the other person. However, this can only be used if you actually know the truth about the statement and you want to agree. If you don't know about the truth of the statement, you should use そうですか, meaning I see, instead. For example, both of you are eating the same ramen at the restaurant, and the other person makes a statement like, このラーメンは美味しいですね. This ramen is delicious, isn't it? And if you agree with this statement, you can respond with, そうですね. Usually, ね goes up, but some people may say, そうですね, to elongate the ending a bit to express stronger agreement. This expression cannot be used if you don't experience the situation the other person is talking about. For example, if you are talking with someone on the phone who are eating the ramen, and if this person tells you that his ramen was delicious, you can't say そうですね because you don't know the taste of that ramen the person is eating. You can only say そうですか. Case number 5. using it as a filler. When you write it, it looks exactly the same as the case 4, but with a different pitch at the end. This can be used as a filler statement. It just means like, well, and thinking. It's pronounced as this. そうですね. The pitch is not going up at the end, and ね sound is a little bit elongated, more like ね. For example, someone says, 昼ご飯に何を食べましょうか? What shall we eat for lunch? You want to say, well, and think about it for a while. In this case, you say, そうですね. Case number 6. Adding よ. そうですよ is an expression that tells someone who doesn't know the information you are providing. By saying そうですよ, you are strongly affirming by letting the other person know that you know it. For example, someone asks, あのデパートは今日セールなんですか? Is that department store having a sale today? Perhaps unsure of the information she has. You can respond by, そうですよ to confidently tell the other person that you know it for sure. Case number 7. Adding よね. そうですよね is used when both the listener and speaker know the situation and agreeing. よね has stronger agreement than just saying ね. For example, your coworker may say, 今の社長は難しい人ですね. The current president is a difficult person, isn't it? Then, if you strongly agree, instead of そうですね, you can say そうですよね. Did you get all these 7 expressions? そうです. そうですか. そうですか? そうですね. そうですね. そうですよ. そうですよね. I hope this video helped you understand the use of そうです in 7 different meanings. Thank you for watching.